Hi friends, this is Akshata here. Today I'll be showing you how to make some Rasam Vada. This is my nephew Saurabh's wife Sukhada's recipe. It is an amazing recipe and we all just love it, so I want to share it with you. Now for the vadas, I have taken about 1 cup of udid dal, washed it well, and I'm going to soak this for about at least 5 to 6 hours, and I put in some methi seeds in it, about 6 to 7 methi seeds. This gives it a very nice fluffy texture when we are going to grind it and fry it. And here I have taken 1 cup of tur dal. Again, I have washed the tur dal very well. And now we're going to put 1 big tomato cut up into cubes. Let this soak for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to put it in the pressure cooker. Cook it for about 1 whistle on high, and then keep it for about 15 minutes on low flame till the dal gets nice and cooked. And then we proceed with making this amazing Rasam Vada. And after soaking this udid dal for about 5 to 6 hours, I have drained out all this water, and now I'm going to grind this in a mixer with a little bit of salt to a thick coarse paste. So I'll empty this into my blender pot. Now we'll add about 1 teaspoon of salt and grind this to a coarse paste. And here friends, I have ground this to a nice thick coarse paste. We have some oil heating, and we also have some kitchen napkins ready to drain our vadas. So now once our oil is hot, all you have to do is just take a small bowl like this and leave it in the oil. And we'll fry them till they are crispy and golden brown. Don't overcrowd your bowl. And in this way, we'll fry the vadas till they are nice and golden brown. And you can see that they have also puffed up nicely because we have soaked them for a long time and added the methi seeds too. And after frying them for about 2 to 3 minutes, we get this lovely golden brown color, and the vadas also separate very easily. And now that they are nice and crispy and brown, we will now take them out onto our kitchen napkin. And in this way, I will continue frying the remaining vadas. And in this way, we have fried all the vadas, and now it's time to make the rasam. Now, once our tur dal and tomato mixture has boiled and cooled down, all I've done is I've used a whisk like this, a wooden whisk. You can even use a normal whisk. Whisk it up, and then what I have done is I have just strained it like this through a colander and taken out all the tomato pieces, and then you get this very watery and liquid consistency of the dal. Now the other ingredients, let me take you through the other ingredients. Here I have about 4 red Kashmiri chilies, some curry leaves. I'll be using about half a teaspoon of muri or mustard seeds or rye, half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. This is rasam powder, which is very easily available in the market. Then I'll be using about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, chili powder, that's red chili powder, about 1 teaspoon. I'll be using about 4 to 5 methi seeds and some jaggery or gur for sweetening our rasam, and some salt to taste. So let's start making this rasam. Now once Once our oil is hot, first we'll go in our mustard seeds or our mori. Once they begin to splutter, we will add few of the methi seeds. This gives a very nice flavor to the rasam. Then we'll go in our curry leaves. Then we'll go in our asafoetida of milk, followed by some haldi powder. Then goes in the chili powder. We'll give all of this a good mix. And this goes in the jar. Now we want a little watery consistency, so we'll add about 1 cup of water. Now we'll go in our rasam powder. You can add as much or as little as you like. I've added about 2 heaped tablespoons. After tasting it, if you feel that you need to add some more, then please add some more. Now next we'll go in our seasoning, which is the salt. So you can add salt and the sweetening agent, which is the ghul or the jaggery. And we're going to give all of this a good stir.